In this video, you're going to learn how to select your campaign type. And this is the first step to set up a campaign in AdWords. So what you want to do is go ahead and log into your AdWords account, come down to the Campaigns tab, click the plus button and click New Campaign. Now, as I said, this is the first decision you'll make, and you can see that there are 5 different campaign types. So I just want to run quickly through each of these at a high level so you have an understanding of them. And then we'll select one so we can really go through our example campaign. So firstly, we've got our search network, and this really allows you to reach customers interested in your products or services with text ads. Now, you're probably already very familiar with seeing this. These are the ads that appear at the top of the search results. They're just text ads and pretty simple. Now, next up, you've got the display network, and this allows you to run different kinds of ads across the web. So this is really a key part of Google's advertising platform, that not only can you appear underneath the search results, but they've also partnered up with a ton of sites so that you can advertise on those sites as well. So here's an example of one of those partner sites that is allowing Google to put ads on their website. It's called W3 Schools, and you can see here is an ad from Google on their website. Now they allow Google to put this ad here because they get a cut of the ad revenue. And you can see that this format of this ad is a banner ad, which is obviously different than to the text ads just here. Now, if we click this open, you can see that you can advertise your business all over the web with AdWords and earn revenue from your website with AdSense. So you may have heard of AdSense before, and this site would have got set up with AdSense so that they can earn revenue from Google advertising platform. In terms of, for you, what is the benefit of this? Well, you can really put different types of ads and not only put them on the search results, but also in sites that maybe your customers spend a lot of time on. Now, coming back to our campaign types, we've also got shopping ads, promote your products with shopping ads. So if we look at this, you can see the format of these ads are quite different to just plain text ads. You have got the pictures here, and this really goes right down into the product pages. We've also got video ads, and primarily this will be ads that you can put on YouTube. It's all done within the same AdWords platform and campaign setup process. So for example, here's an example of one of those ads on YouTube that just is on top of the video before it starts. So YouTube ads can be set up in here as well. And then you've also got app install ads. So these ads will, for the most part, appear in other people's apps, which is, they've got a similar process where they've a partner apps where they advertise in, kind of similarly to how they do it with the websites and the display network. Now, for this example, we are just going to pick the search network. It's probably the simplest one to get started on. And you can see that there's options to drive sales, leads, and website traffic. And we're just going to click website traffic. Then we want to put it in our business website. So I just put in the website and click continue. Now, the cool thing is that you can go through this process with just to experiment yourself. You can go right to the end of the process, and you won't need to put your credit card on until you actually want the ad to go live. So even if you're not sure if you want to advertise just yet or exactly how it would work, I would just encourage you to come in and set this campaign up so you can really give it a go. Now we can just put this as test campaign. And what we can do is we can just select it so it appears only on the search network and not also on the display network. So we want to really keep this as a search only campaign. And for now, we'll just leave it at that. But that is the first step to really set up your AdWords campaign to select your campaign type.